When you lease or purchase a new or pre-owned vehicle here at Keyes Lexus, our service to you doesn't stop there. First, you will receive one of our complimentary gift bags to take home with your new vehicle. Next, we will introduce you to our member of our friendly staff in our state-of-the-art service drive. Feel free to grab a refreshment at our cafe located in our relaxing customer lounge. Before you take your new vehicle home, it will be equipped with a QR code sticker you can scan with your phone to make scheduling a service appointment quick and easy. Within a few days after your new vehicle purchase, someone from our team will contact you to set your first complimentary maintenance appointment 5 months out from the time of purchase. Your purchase will also include a second complimentary 10,000-mile service within a year of purchase. Our certified pre-owned buyers can expect a complimentary service anytime within 6 months after their purchase. Our service department is open from Monday through Friday with convenient hours between 7:30 a.m. and 6 p.m., as well as 8 a.m. through 5 p.m. on Saturdays. Congratulations on your vehicle and welcome to the Keyes Lexus family.